shield, as my vest.
On top.
Okay, now let's go south. We check, then go, mount up, then south. Get your gallop, go south. We're going south. Hard south pala, sorry. You're going hard south, boys. Hard south, and there is zone. We go south. At nag-FPS drop color nyo. Okay, buti simula lang. Okay, now we go southwest. Wait, ay, nandito ako, boys. Nandito kayo. Ready kayo
Southwest,
sa akin.
third
Ready kayo
southwest.
sa akin.
We got scout southwest.
Northwest. Sige lang. We go northwest. Go west. We go west. Block east. Mount on top. On top. Okay, we're gonna engage. Look west. We're gonna engage. Lapit kayo, boys. We're gonna engage west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now. It's big. Okay, nice one. Get in. Pa-cover ako. Shit. Okay. Engage sila. Hello. Rinig nyo ako pero di ko kayo rinig. Kung naririnig nyo ako, let's go east side, boys. East side pa. Di ko kayo rinig, boys. We're gonna counter west. We're gonna engage west. West on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Big. It's big, boys. It's big. Nice one. Konti pa, okay? Now, we walk north. Keep walking north. They're engaging. Pa-sustain kami. Nice sustain. Nice. Okay, now walk west, pa, boys. Keep walking west. We have an engage on 10. Okay, we have an engage on 10. Look inside the choke. We're gonna engage on that choke. No. Look at the crown. We're gonna engage on the crown east side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the crown now, boys. On the crown. Okay, now. Hindi ko pa rin talaga kayo rinig. Nagloloko. Q's and W's them shit out of them, okay? Q's and W's west. Now, we go east. Pa-sustain ako sa backline. Northeast now. They have an engage now. Get ready. Okay, go down the slope southeast. No. Stabilize on me. Huwag kayo masyadong malayo. Walk west. Northwest. No. Look west. We're gonna engage northwest side on the big stairs in 5. Wait. Defensives muna natin yan, please. Nice one. Okay, now we're gonna counter west inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Get FPS drop. Ulit ako. Sorry, boy. Pa-cover ulit ako.
20 seconds ready.
Kamis, may engage sila. Naman kamis. Kasi wala pa engage. Spread. I think guys, spread. They're gonna they're looking. Okay, everyone walk west. Everyone walk west. We're go to the chuka. Big stairs, and everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the big stairs. My cypress, take over. Take over.
Keep walking west. They have an engage. They turn now. They get ready for their turn. Okay, get ready for their turn. We have engage on 10, boys. Keep walking west. West now. Lock on the choke. We're gonna engage on that west side choke. Wait, defensives here. Nice sustain, boys. Nice sustain and nice defensives. Look, we're gonna counter west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's big, boys. It's big. Okay? Push them down that choke. Push down that choke. Push down that choke. Push. Keep pushing down that choke. Okay, back northeast now. We give them space. We breathe. We let them breathe. You're engaging. May defensives ako. Sorry, boys. Okay, nice sustain pa rin. Now we're gonna counter southwest side. We're gonna counter southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Kanina, GA ba natin yun? Kapatid, wag mong Copy. Go northeast kayo, Nakikita nyo to sa east side stairs. Southeast side stairs. Actually, no. They're engaging. Wala yung engage sila. Syonga siya. Okay, now. We go northeast pa. Kahit northeast. Keep fighting northeast. Northeast. We're gonna counter southwest on the chairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. Parin. Keep fighting southeast. Pa-hold ako nito, left hand, please. Para sa 10 to 15. Mali yata yung ano ko. Okay, keep fighting southeast. Actually, no, we push northwest. Kaya ba? Masusustain tayo ni 4-3 duelist. Okay, isang double. Ready. Okay, we're gonna count to west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Na-silence ako. Nice one. Konti pa, boys. Huwag kayong umikot dyan sa icicle, please. Okay, now go now northeast to the big stairs. Now, boys. Spots, please. Okay, keep going to the big stairs now. Big stairs now. Ay, using W is okay. Now look, we're gonna counter west on the big stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now, boys. On me, boys. On me, big. Yung ina mo nakadirt ko. Ang sarap nyo, boys. Okay, now using W inside of us. Look at YFX sa likod, oh, boys. Kinataranta yung mga crosses natin. They're engaging now. Well, okay. Pa-sustain ng front lines ko, please. Heels on my Judy now. Okay, now, we go southwest, boys. Southwest. Okay, now look. East, look on me west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito, on me. Ako, pangit yung kalyan. Pero sige, continue pushing them back. Get ready for their counter, They have a counter now. Nice one. Okay, nadali daw ako. Kite northeast. Northwest now. Northwest. Look at the crown. We're gonna engage on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the crown now. Konti pa, boys. Now quite northwest, boys.
Regroup muna ata to, chef.
Regroup pa.
Regroup muna.
Oh, sige.
Southeast.
Southeast.
Sige,
We
regroup.
call dress it. Southeast. Nice one. Okay.
Lord Daddy, pre, huwag ka masyadong deep, pre.
Sep,
Yo, deep.
ang
Tag
bilis
dito.
ng Sep, ng call mo.
Bilis pa rin.
Okay, is everyone here? Sige, ako. Is everyone here?
Wait lang, wala pa akong mana.
Huwag niyong hit.
Si mana problem din pala to. Nag-limhurst na lang sana ako.
Dito na ba kayo
Kaya
lahat?
split ka na ng skill ko.
Nandito na tayo.
Okay, ready na everyone.
Wait lang.
Ready na ako.
May shield city penalty.
May
Sige, susunod.
na-DC daw yung
Wag muna, wag muna.
Hold up daw muna.
Sige, wag mo.
Hold up.
Okay na, mag-switch na kayo. Yo, debuffs, I want you to be, yung agahan nyo ng Ontaine, wag kayong mag-DPS. Debuff kayo eh. Hindi pumapasok yung damage natin kasi nalilate ata kayo eh. Nakikita ko na una pa yung perma sa inyo magbagsak. Oh, don't hit that.
Don't hit. Kahit is tayo.
Nag-FPS trip lang din ako. Sorry. Sige, ako.
5 seconds countdown.
Ready na daw ba?
Hindi pa ata.
Ang engage natin kay Seth, hindi sa akin I'm gonna play defensive pa rin. Pero I'm gonna be calling for you guys. Wait lang daw.
Palagay nga ng mark tong nila, Perma. Ito. Ano mark?
Itong Karagi Asay? Hindi.
Itong Perma.
Sige.
Everyone come up the stairs nga kayo, northwest. Sige, come northwest, up the small stairs. Sige. Wala, nag-aantay naman sila eh. Di position na tayo. Come up the small stairs, sige.
Tapakan dun, Bob. Hindi na nakadala extra.
Sige, spread kayo north side ko. North to east, north to west. Yan, spread. R na daw. Oh, everyone. Sige, everyone, kiss yung W's na. Kiss yung W's. Kiss yung W's, sige. Okay, we'll play counter. Jassy, be ready on your defensives, ha? Be ready on your defensives. Wala, napaka one-sided pa nung engage na. Sige, kiss yung W's lang. Kiss yung W's lang. Okay, get ready, ha? Separate, find the club. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone is separate. Yung Severus, okay, everyone that was good, that was good. Come north, everyone come north, full kite north. Full kite north, defensive talks, hold them, defensive talks, keep holding them, defensive talks, hold them. Nice one, nice one. Nice one, we got there engaged na, tayo naman mag-engage, bro, spread kayo north, come north, spread, huwag kayo mag-west, huwag kayo mag-east. Everyone may looking south, looking south, separate such your engage.
GG.
Oh, everyone, look at Severus, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, can you drop?
Silence
Severus, take
ako.
over.
Silence ako. Okay.
Wala drop na yung run breaker mo.
Get ready.
Din yung,
Okay, kitchen double is good. Get ready, may engage na yan. May engage, they're engaging now. Pa-defensives ako. Nice defensive. Nice first room. Root mount, okay. Kitchen double is good. Kitchen double is. We have an engage in 6. Okay, give kitchen double is in. Kitchen double is. Copy. Okay, now look. Okay, we have an engage now, no? We have an engage, look east. We're gonna engage inside of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of me now, boys.
Grabe yung demon armor nila.
Okay, now, get ready. They have an engage now. Okay, nice one. Okay, now keep going northeast now. Northeast. Trust me on this one, boys. Northeast. Magpapa-fake tayo. Kunyari, nagtatakbuhan tayo. Northeast on me, boys. Northeast on me. Northeast. Now, look.
Split.
We're gonna engage monsters in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on me now. Now, boys.
Nice one.
Nice. Okay, now kite northwest a bit. No, we push south. No, they're engaging pa defensive ako.
Observe na armor.
Nice sustain. Sige, kitchen doubles yun. We have an engage on 10. Trust me on this one, boy. Push the stairs. Push down the fucking stairs. Okay, now we're gonna engage down the fucking stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. Ano, ba't ako na? Okay, demon armor. Okay, kitchen doubles now. Kitchen doubles. Get ready for their engage. Yan ang engage nila, boys. Right. Nice one. Nice. Bound. Nice.
Observe.
Nice one. Kitchen doubles now. Look south. Okay. At second director. Okay, now look southwest. Now, look southwest. We're gonna engage southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito sa akin. Bitch. Ina, puro ano pala yan. Okay, now kitchen doubles. Get ready. They have an engage. Get ready, guys. Kitchen doubles yun. Push nyo southwest. Pababayin nyo ng stairs. Engaging. Okay.
Late engage niya.
Defend, DPS, how are you? Kitchen doubles yun. Keep pushing southwest.
Go.
Okay, ready?
5 seconds, spirit hunter mo.
Copy. Kitchen doubles yun. Kitchen doubles. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up the stairs. Ito, ang laki boy ito. Sorry. Okay, keep throwing your kitchen doubles. Keep throwing your kitchen doubles. Get ready, defensive now. Nice one, boys.
Observe.
Okay, now. Observe. Okay, now. Keep pushing them west. Wala silang engage for another 10 minutes, 15 seconds. Okay, now keep pushing them west. Okay, now look west. We're gonna engage west down the choke in 5,
2 seconds,
4,
spirit hunter.
3, 2, 1. Ito, big. Bang, ina mo, ang sarap niya. Okay, now. Keep pushing them back. Nice kill by blue. Okay, kitchen doubles. Get ready. They haven't countered. They might counter. They're countering now. Nice heals. Nice sustain, boys. Nice GA. Okay, now kitchen doubles. Ba't nabubuhay ito si Luis? Huwag yung papabuhay mo si Luis. They engage.
Pick lang yung una.
Okay, now look on the small stairs ulit. We're gonna engage on the small stairs ulit in 5, 4, 3, but silence ako in 2, in 1.
Nasa kami.
Nastop kayo.
Wala.
Nastop kayo, diba? We're gonna engage ulit. On me. Look at the crown. We're gonna engage on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now.
Albion. Yan lang.
Defensives. Walang nakuha. Nice. Okay,
Wala.
pahila ko kay Lazy King. Kitchen double is northeast now. Kite northeast. May engage tayo? DPS? May engage tayo?
Meron.
Meron. Okay, look west. Wala pa raw. Okay,
Ready,
copy.
spirit hunter. Ready.
Ready? We're gonna engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito kay Luis. Ito. Okay, get ready. May counter yan. Laban ng coming count.
Lazy King dito
Yan, nice.
Fake lang.
Okay,
Perma
kitchen double.
yung nila.
Copy. Keep Qs and Ws. Keep Qs and Ws.
Ano sa akin pala?
Umana yung pole nila.
Yan, engage pa yan.
Engage and 10. Baba kayo ng konti.
Ayan na, nag-engage na sila,
Go,
nag-engage
Nitas,
na. Wala na
go,
sila engage,
Nitas.
wala na
Okay,
sila engage, wala na sila.
Okay. Wait lang. We're just gonna delay a bit. Look at me on the crown. We're gonna engage on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the stairs. Nice. May nadali tayo. Isa pa, please. Okay, now. Keep Qs and Ws. Para huwag kayo bababa. Let them go.
Mga red shot.
Southeast. Pa-Qs and Ws dito kay light sign. Okay. Keep kiting east now. Get ready. May engage na yan. Okay, keep ready. Keep Qs and Ws. Keep using your Qs and Ws. Keep using. Okay, now look inside the spot. Inside the spot. Wait lang. Defensives now. Okay, ready DPS. Wait lang. We're just gonna wait for this. Okay, now we're gonna counter southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's big.
Oh my god.
Konti pa, boys. Nice one. Konti pa, okay na? Now, position yourself northwest. Now, keep pushing them a bit east now. East. Get ready for their engage. Ayan na, malapit ang engage.
Box sila onte, nag-box sila onte. Nag-box sila onte.
Copy, they're engaging. Pero wala. Fake
Take yun.
Okay, now, look down the stairs. Look down the bridge stairs. We're gonna engage down the bridge stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the bridge stairs. Konti pa, wala pa rin. Qs and Ws now, boys. Keep pushing them back down the bridge stairs. Naka-pressure sila. Nararamdaman ko sa titi na malap-pressure sila. Qs and Wsing down. Keep Qs and Wsing them down. Keep down the stairs now. Down the stairs. May engage tayo din, ha?
Meron, Spirit Hunter, meron.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Sige. 10 seconds. We're gonna engage in 10 seconds. Okay. Get ready. Okay. Now look east. Down the stairs in 5. We're gonna engage east down the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a bit deep. Okay, nice one. Nice engage, boys. Tang ina nyo. Ganon pala kasarap ang engage mo. Qs and Ws inside of them, boys. Qs and Ws inside. Okay, come northwest. Nahululo tayo ng konti. Come northwest. Pasok kayo ng Judy ko. 3 Judy na bagsak. Oh no. Keep fighting northwest kayo. Keep fight northwest. Engage natin sa DPS, sorry. Keep fighting northwest.
Ready.
5 seconds. Okay, now look. We're gonna engage southeast. Defensives. Ayan ang engage nila. Wala. Okay, now look west. Kung saan sila nag-engage, we're gonna engage on that in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito, big. It's big. Okay, nice one. May nadali tayo. Isa pa. Okay, now keep.
Petrok mamamatay na.
Nag-DC ba si Sephiroth? Come northeast.
Northeast. Position yourself northeast. Engages natin DPS.
2 seconds. Ready.
5 seconds. Ready. Look on that small stairs. We're gonna engage on that small stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On that small stairs now. Ooh, yummy, papi. Keep Qs and Wsing them. They're engaging.
Yan, fake.
Perma yung call nila.
Actually, perma pala. Sorry. Okay, get ready. Yan ang engage sila. Nice. Nadali si Cyrus. Oh no. Okay, now Qs and Ws. DPS, how are you?
My bad.
Ready.
Ready DPS? Every DPS? Okay, now look inside of us. We're gonna engage on that obelisk. We're gonna engage on that south side of the obelisk in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Oh, konti pa. Okay, now keep fighting west now. Okay, defensive. Nice, sustain tayo. Now keep fighting northeast. Kahit na konti northeast. Nakikita niyo yung crown. Punta kayo sa akin, boy. Okay, now look. Walk southwest ng konti. We're gonna engage southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito, big. It's big.
Na-GA.
GG.
Okay,
Ready,
get
friend.
ready. Defensive. Ready pa rin, di ba? Oh, look down the stairs. We're gonna engage down the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on. Keep going northeast. Defend. Wala yan. Ayan na. Wala. Bobo nung RP na yun. Okay, keep Qs and Ws. Nagkaalam yung phone. Keep Qs and Ws. Pahit yung backline natin. Ready. We're gonna engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Konti pa. Nice. Okay. Okay, keep pushing double. Straight, snipe, northeast, 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 northeast.
Healers nila sa
Dami ko yung
Northeast, to, si light sign, nice, manadali si light sign. Northeast, pahil Kaladrizi, mag-engage yan, yung engage nyo. Pa-sustain, nice, sustain, okay na, may DPS tayo, DPS.
Ready.
Ready, gonna counter west 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ito, bigger clump, bigger death, and I like it. Now, keep,
May FK si Drizzly.
sige lang, -1 lang yan. We have
Minus one
keep using that. Defensives yan, sige lang, huwag kayong mag-alala. Kahit southwest, huwag kayong magpapapush yan. Kahit southwest, huwag kayong bababa ng choke. And defensive now. Nice sustain, -1. Kahit southwest. Okay, now look northeast, we're gonna turn east in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, eto.
Gagi, na bedrock ako.
Okay, nice. Okay, now. Fighting north, southwest pa din.
split sila.
Okay, kali, we push. Tapusin yung mga nandito sa loob, boys. Split sila, tapusin. Okay, get ready, defensive lang. Ayan na, defensive na, not actually, wala yan.
Wala, na-fail na purge ko yung net element.
Go west. We're gonna engage east side, inside of us, in 5. We're gonna engage inside of us, inside of the crown, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of the crown, konti pa boys, sige na, okay, nice. Okay, kahit southeast.
Kailangan natin ng fake. Mag-fake ka muna, no? Mag-fake ka, mag-transform ka dun yun.
Copy. Exciting southeast, pababa ng big stairs. Kahit northeast now, get ready for their engage, Yan na yung engage nyo.
Silence.
Yan na. Okay, nice one. We're gonna counter west side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big boys. It's big boys. And I love it, boys. Finish them up. Ang dami nilang low, pero hindi pa tayo nakafinish. Finish them up now, boys. Finish them up. Get ready for their engage, ha.
May
Finish
bedrock
them
na
up,
sila.
boys. Get ready and get ready defensive. Trust me on this one. Get ready defensive. After ng GN yan, may GNG sa attack. Kahit hindi talaga. Get
Kaya na,
ready.
engage sila.
Ready.
Mag-night.
Okay, wala. Okay, now we're gonna engage west.
Mag-fake ka muna.
2, 1, sorry. Drop pa na. Oh, yeah. Sorry boys. Okay, keep
Still a big
cavalry. Nice sustain. Pasasin ako ng mga...
Mag-fake ka muna, set.
Copy. Sorry. And transfer tayo doon. DPS,
Mag-transform ka, sige, okay lang mag-transform ka.
Hindi pa ako. Okay, wait lang. Christian double siya. Okay? I'm gonna be faking this down the token 5. Wala, fake lang yan.
Sige, mag-ikang. Pwede kang yung hatak mo. Yung engage.
Wala.
Magtao ka na.
Okay. Look. We're gonna engage on me. Defensive now. Okay, nice one. We're gonna look at the crown. We're gonna engage on that crown in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Engage on the crown.
Wala!
Mas nahihirapan ba kayo?
Actually, go down the choke southeast. Pahil kay Vlad. Go down the choke southeast. Go down the choke southeast. Get ready, defensive. Spread kayo. Mag-engage yan, ha. Spread kayo. DPS, how are you, DPS?
5 seconds.
Ayun na engage nyo. Nice. Okay, we're gonna engage. We're gonna counter that. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. Putang ina nyo. Ang sarap nyo. Nakadali tayo ng duha. Okay, Christian doubles, boys. Keep kiting southeast now. Southeast to me. Christian doubles yung mga nasa loob. Ba't ang buhay nila ang layo ng healers? Kaya pa Christian doubles. Sige na. Christian doubles. Get ready, boys. Uy, bakit? Huwag kayo mag-push. Hold on me. Stabilize on me. Stable on me. Pa-stable ako. Keep kiting southeast. Keep kiting northeast. Sorry, northeast. Sa crown.
5 seconds.
Hello. Ba't kayo bumakit dyan? Northeast sa akin. Nakikita niyo ba ako? Hello. Northeast. Hindi ko yun nakikita. Lang. Northwest. Defensive na. Sa silence. Okay, now we're gonna engage down the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage down the choke. Set. Yan, nag-DDR. Okay, up the choke now, up the choke now, up the choke now, up the choke now, up the choke now. Up Narcos, up Narcos, up Narcos, up Narcos, up Narcos stairs, up to Narcos stairs. DPS, how are you? Narcos stairs, Narcos stairs.
10 seconds.
10 seconds? Wala. 10 seconds. Sige, sabihin nyo pag ready na kayo. Question double siya. Okay, look at me. You're gonna engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hatak, engage. Ino, gumagana pa rin. Nice one. Question double siya na. Low na yan. Di nila masusustain yan. Question double siya. Get ready for their counter. Nakatingin ako kayo na. You fucking shit, bro. Question double siya. Huwag kayong bababa ng choke. Okay, nice one. Okay, now we're gonna counter. Victory.
Naubusan ng oras. The
Or yun,
hell?
hindi naman club team.
Bro, nangyayari.
Pero lang, suntukan.
I need limb heart escape. Isa pa daw. Tapos na.
Ilang beses ako na, ilang
Ito
beses
sa allies.
Sa baba.
Rain ng mga trauma pa.
Bitin yan.
Sila mas mataas numbers nila, di ba? Yo, we need... Ako na mag-raise. Yeah, may 20% pa akong battery.
Parang medyo hindi ko alam kung medyo matagal yung yung engage. Kasi pagka engage nila, tas sabay na hold ng natin, ng mga defensive tanks natin. Ang tagal ng engage.
Hindi siya na-hold, pre. Meron kasing mercenary boot sila. Kailangan, kasabay niyo sa 1C, Isep.
Okay. Hindi kasi kanina ang daming instances na na-hold sila. Kasabay ang tagal ng engage. I mean, yung counter natin.
Isa pa ba, pre?
Sa pa.
Oo.
Isa pa daw. G pa daw. 1 minute. Wait lang.
Parang gulo ng engage nila, pre. Pati ako nagugulo.